Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Basically what this is a diffuser that you can use to make a better scent or smell around the area. So the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and it has like the flower inside, and it comes with the premium fiber reed sticks that you can use to put it into the actual product itself right here. And then they also do provide you guys some like real flower here that you can use to put in to increase like the smell or the scent around your environment as well. The scented oil that they use in here is non-toxic, and then the bottle itself is not plastic that they use in here, is actually glass. So first thing first, let me actually open up the product to show you what it actually looks like first before we actually test it out. Alright, so when you first open up the inside, that's what it looks like inside. So it's all like separated with flowers, the bottle with bottle, and then the sticks itself. So right here you can see that we have the 5 premium fiber sticks. And then next we have the real flower right here. If you can see, these are not fake, these are actually real flower. It smells really amazing. So I think this rose is fake, but let me actually smell it. So I think this one is fake, it's just for design and the looks. And then I think this one is also fake, so this one is just for like the looks and designs. Yep, so this one just for looks and design. And inside there we have the bottle, so let's take it out and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like right here. As you can see, they have the logo right here, but there is a little part inside that you actually have to cut it first before putting in your flower and also the sticks itself. So let me actually do all that first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so first thing I want to do is open this part right here, and then open this one, and then put back the cap right here, just like this. And then I just want to put in the sticks like this. And then this is basically what it should look like once you guys complete it. And then you should have this little tube right here, as you can see. So you guys want to open the flower and all the other roses, and then you can actually put it into the tube, just like this, one at a time, if you guys can see. So once you guys put all of them together, it should look something like this, if you guys can see. It looks very, very nice. You guys want to stick it back in when you guys are done. And then you guys are all done. And you guys can start smelling the smell from the actual sticks itself and the oil. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the quick test of the product itself, you guys can see that it's super easy to kind of like apply it on and use it. If you guys are concerned on how to actually apply it on, even though watching the video of how to actually apply it on, there's actually the instruction that's provided for you guys on the listing itself. So if you guys take a look right here, this is actually on the listing that actually show you guys how to actually apply it on and everything, so you guys don't have to worry about not knowing how to actually apply it on correctly. But after seeing the test itself, you guys can see that it's really easy if you guys follow the instruction to put everything correctly. The steps are pretty straightforward if you guys can see from the instruction that's provided for you guys, both in the actual back part of the box right here, and also on the Amazon listing as well. So here are some of those things that you probably want to know about the product itself. As you can see, it doesn't have any of these stuff included into the actual product itself, in the oil and the product itself. So the overall product itself is safe and reliable, so you guys don't have to worry about any of those issues that they mentioned on the picture that I just showed you guys just now. But definitely the overall quality of the product itself is pretty amazing. It's strong scent and everything after if you guys put it on. Like the flower to the sticks, and then from the oil and everything, was it all put together. The smell was like instant. It just came out like instantly once you guys apply everything correctly. So this is totally perfect if you guys want to leave this in your home, maybe in your office, somewhere else. Basically anywhere that you guys want to get like a better like smell or scent around the area, then this is actually pretty nice. And in terms of the flavors that they have a a lot of different flavors. The one that we got right here is the rose perfume, but they have like refreshing air, they have like pure cotton, they have like English pure free, cocoa peach, garden lavender, and the list just goes on. There's just so many different flavors on here. But now that we did unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So pretty much for me, I would definitely have to say that these are actually pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are looking for a diffuser or oil diffuser or anything similar to that to kind of improve like the smell around your environment, whether it be in your home, your office, or just in general, then this is actually really, really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have